Hi friends! How are we doing? This is a bit of an impromptu stream. And yeah, what did you think about that new intro that I made over the weekend? We're gonna transition into one of the more like chill songs that's just like the intro song. Alright, here we go. This is not gonna be smooth. Okay, here we go. Now we got chill beats going. I think I still have some like working out to do on the smoothness of all that, but yeah, I had fun making that over the weekend. Wanted to have a little Coworking Club brand and all the thumbnails like match now. I'm pretty excited about it. But yeah, I have a meeting in like 45 minutes, so this is going to be a fairly short stream. I feel like I want to turn the volume of this down a little bit. I'm like yelling over top of it. I don't know. Let me know how the volumes are doing. But yeah, short stream, but I want to keep going on a project that I started on in the last stream. Yeah, so we'll keep going with that. Let me switch on over, and I'm going to try to use the... Hang on a second. Actually, I'm going to have to leave OBS up. I'm going to see if the switcher on my Stream Deck is working now. Boom! It did it. Okay, great. Then we can go over. Cool. Now let me make sure I can see the chat over on my other screen. Hold, please. Okay, we are in. I saw someone say that you joined this week, but I wasn't live. Oh, you mean you joined as a channel member? I'm guessing you mean Atakan. Thank you so much for joining. That's super cool to have you. Shouting you out now since you joined while I wasn't live. It's cool to see the little star next to your name. Yeah, which was also a new addition. It used to be, we used to use the old like Twitch emote thing, but I made a little star especially for the Coworking Club. If anyone has ideas for a better logo than that, let me know, but I thought that was just a cute little mark for now. Is Friday afternoon gonna be a thing? I hope it can be a thing, like as much as, I don't know, I almost didn't stream today because I have meetings, but I was like, you know what, even if we just chat for half an hour, why the heck not, you know? Yeah, let me know how the levels and things are with the music, but what I want to do is work on setting up this component today. Seems like a good little achievable goal for the next half hour. If you want, make yourself a goal for the next half hour. What do you want to have done by the time this stream ends? What are you going to work on alongside me? It'd be good to hear, yeah, what you're aiming for. But yeah, I started thinking through last time about the different variants that I was going to need, and it was feeling like it was starting to get a lot of stuff. But hey, we're gonna make it work. The first thing that I want to do, I believe that David, the wonderful David, has set up a type style that we can use. I'm just not sure of... Ooh, there we go. Yep, what he called it. So, is default gonna match? Yay. Okay, cool. So that's great. Our first port of call will be to use the actual type style for all of these. I gotta get used to the naming conventions of it all. Sweet. Okay. Planning and writing out my end of onboarding presentation for Monday, which is also my birthday. Happy birthday for Monday, Melanie. Yep, we're in Figma. We're making things happen. Okay, so we'll start with this one, I guess. What should my placeholder text be? I'm just gonna write like longer call out bubble text. Will be what we call it. And I'm gonna actually name these layers. Which I don't normally do, which you will know if you've watched any of my streams before. Normalize a database. I feel like that is what it's called, Sophia. I don't know what it means, but I've heard like smart data people like yourself use that term before. Okay, we need to flatten that Does this need flattening? No. Okay. I don't think we want to do any sort of auto layout with this. I don't think so anyway. We're just going to go. Probably this will be a component that gets rebuilt like the button ended up being. But I just want to have something done for this because it's literally been a task that I've moved on my to-do list for months. So let's go. Boom, it's a component. Just got off work. Ines is designing a credit calculator. Polishing up notes from seminars this afternoon. Nice. Okay, I might work out here because it's annoying me to have it. We are going to use pages in the end because it'll like, you know, group things in the system. But yeah, I'll just work out here for now. So let's add a variant. Okay, so the properties for this. How do I rename that property again? I feel like I never know how to do that. Ah, that's it. Okay. So we're going to call... Wait, let's go in the top one. Arrow... length... short... arrow direction down, tilt. I don't know. Oh, wait, let me just check if I'm doing this right actually. Yeah, cool, it did work. I don't think I need the gap between them there though. Tilt equals right. Yeah, nice to see you too, Sid. Dory asks, have I heard of the term UX engineers? Maybe. How is a UX engineer different from a different type of engineer? Explain it to me. Let's say width equals... Is this one wide or short? It's kind of like in the middle, isn't it? We don't really want to get into... No, I guess it's long. It's long. We're going to go wide. And then we'll say version equals 1. This is a complex... Yeah. Okay, then we'll copy this, paste it in here, but we'll call it arrow right. Oh man, I just realized though, what if I want the arrow like flipping up or down? Ooh, is this gonna have to be component within component? Maybe that's the way to do it. I don't know. But the thinking here is that this one then turns around and comes up like this. I think I'm just making a big mess for myself, honestly, but yeah, we'll see. How's your week been, everybody? I feel like I'm not often going to want it pointing that way. So I'm going to do it like this. And then flatten. Okay. Good morning over there in Chicago. UX engineers are people who go through the entire UX process. Also have the skills to apply it to the product. Interesting. So it's like a UX designer who also codes. maybe? This is definitely going to be one of those components that will need to be used to, you know, really test out. But we'll see. I think I've got too many variants. I think this is a bit insane. And then up. Week has been challenging but inspiring at the same time. Nice. Challenging but inspiring is a good way to be, I think. I can click this and it'll... Yeah, there we go, good. Yeah, agreed, Sophia. Good week besides all the news about the Ukraine. I mean, that has just been... That's a lot to deal with, and I'm not even involved at all. So, yeah, my heart goes out to anyone who's affected by that. Is Dorian, is UX engineer a role that you're thinking of moving into? I want to see how this is performing. Okay, so we put this in here and we say, that's kind of cool. Yeah, that seems useful. Okay. I'm gonna keep going with this then. I was starting to feel a little disillusioned with it already. How's the COVID situation in Spain? Do we need to wear masks still? I actually think they changed the rules recently where the mask mandate is much less. I'm not sure. Everyone is definitely still wearing them, like who works in stores and things. So I think that's still how it has to be. I am definitely still wearing a mask because numbers are falling here, but they're definitely still very high, like when you look overall. Yeah. Okay, should I try to do this exact same thing but with a tilt to the left, I guess? How can I do this the same for all of them? Let's see. Nope. Can I just go brrrp? And then I'll have to move them all into play, but that's okay. Okay. Right, so this now is tilt left. Let's flatten you and then do this resize to fit. And you need to be tilt left as well. Yeah, same Gerald. I haven't had a cold for ages. It's been really nice. Alejandro, is that what you're saying? That masks are for inside? That's the mandate at the moment. That makes sense. Oh, I don't think I did the tilt on this one. 8? What happened here? How did this come out of the... How did you get out of the variant? Thank you. Tilt. Left. Welcome, Chloe, to the Coworking Club. That's exciting to see in the chat. Now I see why Atakan was saying that, like, damn, I subscribed when you weren't live. That's cool to see. Makes a cool little green message, and now you have a little star by your name. Oh, cool. Has that thing that YouTube said they were doing a thing where when you're live, there's going to be like a little ring around the profile picture? Is that how you knew I was live? Is that out yet? I don't know. Oh, fuck yeah. I'm sorry. Email reminder. I keep forgetting to send those, to be honest. Yeah. I forgot to send one for today. And because it's such a short stream, I don't think I'll bother sending one out now. Thank you for reminding me. I'll try to get better about that next time. I need to set up some sort of automation for it to make that happen, because otherwise I know I'm going to keep forgetting. Did I change the tilt on this? Yes, but I need to flatten you. Okay, so now we have... Why don't I just keep one of these in here so that I can keep playing around with it? We could be like, cool, I want to have it tilt to the left, and then I have the arrow over there. Nice. Yeah, you're right. Maybe if YouTube is making it better, then that's fine. Oh my gosh, Sophia, I went to a movie in person when I was in New Zealand, and it felt so strange, but also so wonderful to be doing that. Okay, what is the next variant on this one that I want to tackle? Arrow length, I guess. Yeah. And I think I already have this one long arrow, so I might want to make some different ones for that. I don't know, we'll see. But let's do arrow length, long. Oh, I'm really not liking how I'm changing the casing on these. I might need to do some tweaking there. I saw whatever the new Spider-Man movie is called, which was cool. Really enjoyed it. I never used to be into Marvel movies, and then I think it was the start of last year, me and my partner, we watched them all. We just like started working through them, and I was surprised how much I enjoyed them. Okay, so this is a long arrow pointing down. Yes, that is correct. So this is going to be a long arrow pointing right. Wait, I didn't just make... Yeah, good. It's kind of like what I've done there. Yeah. Let's have it do that. This one can go left. Ah, I forgot to flatten them. Trying my best to be tidy with all this. There we go. Yes, it is using grayscale. Thanks for noticing, James. I think it's charliemarie.com/font if you want to check it out. But yeah, we use it on the ConvertKit site to add little hand-drawn touches in places. And we have it set like in the code that it sort of like types out as well, which is really fun. Flatten new, resize. Cool. So now I could go and we'll make it a long arrow. Nice. Okay, so now I need to do the same thing but with the tilt, and I'll keep it exactly the same somehow. Let's see how we can do this. I'll duplicate this. And it's going to be arrow long. Resize. Yeah, it was fun to, it was really funny that my thought process as I was doing this. So the first page that I ever used it on, sorry, excuse the fact that you can see this. Also, by the way, check out how I cleaned up my desktop from last time. Yeah, and now I've put stuff on it again, but I just thought that all the people who are shocked would like to see that. Yeah, the first page was this one. See how it's typing in there? I started like literally writing out. I used our like regular sans serif, which is open sans, in the bubble, and was, you know, like trying to get something that felt like someone doodling on the page. And then I was like, wait, I myself made a font that we could use for this. So yeah, we started using it, which is really fun. Oh, Sophia, you saw Spider-Man as well. I love it. That was both of our pandemic return movie. Yep, up there. Resize. Resize. Cool. So now we should be able to also tilt on that guy. Sweet. I think I actually would like to redraw this arrow. I don't know. It like could be tidier. Whatevs. We're just getting the component set up for now. Okay, what is the next? We've done arrow length. We've done arrow direction for all. We've done the tilt. Width of the callout bubble. Okay. Yep. Yep. So this is gonna mean... Yeah, I think this is the way I'll arrange it. Hey Riley, nice to see you here. Well, this is one of my shorter ones, I guess. Let's flatten you. And we'll type short. Wait, why is that using... How did that happen? I'm confused. Why is the leading different on this one, even though it's using the same styling? Oh, is it because I pushed enter? My bad. Yeah, it is. What an idiot. Okay. That could cause issues. I might want to go back and fix that. Did ConvertKit pay for your font? If not, did you pirate your own font to use at work? Is it even possible to pirate your own creation? I guess I could have purchased a license to it using my ConvertKit credit card, but I didn't because I felt that was kind of like, I don't know what the word is. it's not nepotism, because I'm not like hiring an offspring or a family member or something. Maybe taking advantage of my situation, even though it only would have been like $26. But yeah, no, ConvertKit did not pay for it because I just started using it myself for free. I granted ConvertKit a free license. How about that? Yeah, I don't know. For me it just wouldn't have felt right for me to have said, this is going to be a part of our brand now, and also I made it, so I have to pay myself for us to be able to use it. I don't know. Just something about that feels weird. Conflict of interest. I like that one. Yeah, that's better, Tiffany. Not fucking nepotism. What am I talking about? Okay. I'm wondering about this whole width thing and if actually this could just be a version. I don't know. We might see as we get there. We might remove this whole version 1 and just label them different things. Yeah, I don't know. Yep, self-serving. Yep, as well, Chloe. That's a good word. Yeah, I'm sure that the company actually would have been fine with it. I had a few workmates actually purchase the font, like, you know, for their own uses, which was cool. We have a very supportive team at ConvertKit. Everyone likes to support the projects that other people are working on. Right tilt, that's correct. It is amazing to me the focus that doing a live stream can give me. Like I said, this has seriously been on my to-do list for, I think I said weeks, and maybe I meant months, because that is the truth. And I'm finally making it happen. Like, I finally have something set up. Yeah, it's not going to be fully complete probably in the next, how long have I got? Probably like 10 to 15 minutes more before my meetings start. But we made a good start, and that's what matters. Oh no, I have to sneeze. Can I mute my microphone in time? Oh, I hate that. Don't you hate that? When the sneeze doesn't come. Oh. Maybe that was a good thing, because I am not entirely sure if the mute button worked. Ah, God damn it. Why do I keep putting my arrows outside? There we go. And this is arrow up. Okay, now I do the tilts, don't I? And this will all be tilt left. Yeah, that works, I guess, right? Maybe I do want to move the arrow a little bit. Oop, forgot to flatten. Sometimes it's really nice doing this type of work, you know? It's sort of like just a routine based, I suppose. Ooh, I was just gonna say, I think my favorite stream song is coming up. How's everyone doing on getting their things done that they said they were gonna do? God damn it, how'd that happen? So now we repeat with the long arrow. Slow progress, small steps forward. Hey, steps forward is steps forward. That's what matters. Ooh. Creating, whoop whoop, love it. James is doing better than last week. That's good. Oop, I need to set the... This is all arrow length long. There we go. Oh, Chloe, I love hearing that. They're honestly saving my productivity too, so I think we're all helping each other. I would love to aim for weekly streams this year, just like I aim for weekly videos. And it's like, it's an aim, so sometimes it's not going to happen if like life gets in the way, you know, but for that to be the goal, I think would be really fun. Yeah, how do you feel about doing them even if they can't be very long? Like I am really going to have to go in, you know, 5 or so minutes to get to my meeting. Would you rather I only streamed if I know I can be doing it for a longer period of time? Because like, how long have we actually been going? I don't actually know where to see that. Oh, yeah, it's been about 32 minutes. So definitely one of the shorter streams. But is this like a something's better than nothing situation? Or are you like, I'd rather you save up and only go live when it can be a significant amount of time? Hey Martin, you're also a channel member. Welcome, welcome. Not being creative today, but have sent a bunch of invoices. Yes, that's good. Get paid. Well done, Stuart. You got your dream job thanks to my advice on portfolio work, being specific to the job. Yes, well done. Happy to have given you the advice, but it was all you on applying it. That's awesome. I love when you let me know things like that to like celebrate those wins. It's really cool. Okay, I think we're gonna get this long arrow set up here and then we will probably have to call it quits for the day. And cool, people are saying small check-ins are cool, so that's good. Agreed, Martin. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be more likely to do them if it's just this could be long, this could be short, we'll see what we get sort of situation. Cool. Okay, that helps. Thanks. Hey, Veronica. Oh, this is your first time joining us, Darren? Well, welcome. How did you hear about the stream? How did you come to be joining us for the Coworking Club today? Okay, let's put this in and then let's do a bit of testing, shall we? Do I have these all set up nicely in a frame? One thing I like about thinking about what you said about notifications, Melanie, I like that Twitch lets you write a notification to people, whereas I feel like YouTube just probably says the video name, right? Because I feel like if it was on Twitch, I would be like, short stream today, join quickly, so that you would know. Oh, sweet. I'm glad that it came up that I was live. Okay, so let's pretend we're testing this. We're not going to touch the version one because I haven't touched that yet. But we'll be like, no, I want it narrow. And I want it with an arrow up, no, right, I mean, and I want it to be tilting to the left, and the arrow should actually be short. Oh, that's interesting how it changes direction there. Oh, that's okay. I think it's going to be too hard to set up too many variants to do that. Cool. I think this has worked. Is that Chris Hurrier workout music? I don't know if whoever that is using it for their workout. This is just an Epidemic Sound, like royalty-free music playlist. Cool. I think that what I'm actually going to do, so I'll have to do this next time because I need to sign off and go to meetings, but I think my next step will actually be to not do it by width or version. I might just like describe it. So it'll be like bubble type maybe will be what I change this to. And it'll be like bubble type, long, wide and tidy, bubble type, narrow, messy for this one, for example. And I'll just sort of describe them a bit and we can get to know them. Just so there's options, because I don't want them to all look the same. That's the goal, that there's different bubbles, different arrows, so that, yeah, they can look different. Okay, cool. Well, I'm very sorry to the people who just joined. Let's go back to the camera for now. Yeah, sorry to the people who just joined that you have joined right as we are about to sign off for the day because I have meetings. But yeah, it was fun to have you here for this little stream. Hope you got some stuff done. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. I'm going to be so excited to check this off my to-do list. We use a tool called 15.5 at ConvertKit, which is like a tool for checking in with your manager and like checking in on your tasks and your objectives. And I have been hitting copy to next week on this for a long time. So thanks for helping me get it done. Hope you got some stuff done too. And I will see you in the next stream. Now, please enjoy my new outro animation that I made the other week. Woot, woot, woot. Where is it? Let me find it. Okay, here it is. Enjoy the outro. Bye, folks.